Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start cloud performance monitoring with New Relic, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the New Relic website. Sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. Once you have signed in, you will land on the New Relic dashboard. Next, locate the Add More Data section on the dashboard. Click on the option that says Add Your Application. You will see options for various types of monitoring. Choose the right monitoring tool based on your needs. For cloud performance monitoring, select APM or infrastructure. Select your programming language or environment from the available options. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the necessary agents. Copy the provided installation command for your specific environment. Open your terminal or command prompt. Paste the installation command and execute it. Once installed, configure the agent using the provided API key. This key ensures that your application can send data to New Relic. Restart your application to apply the new configuration. Return to the New Relic dashboard to verify the connection. It may take a few minutes for data to start appearing. Once the data flows in, explore the different metrics presented. Check the application performance, response times, and throughput. Utilize dashboards to visualize your data effectively. Set up alerts for specific performance thresholds if necessary. Familiarize yourself with the features available in New Relic. Consider integrating additional plugins or services to enhance monitoring. With your setup complete, regularly review the insights provided by New Relic. Adjust your monitoring strategy based on the trends you observe. This will ensure optimal performance for your cloud applications. Starting cloud performance monitoring is now in your hands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.